The Bugatti Centodieci is not just a car, it is a breathtaking masterpiece of engineering and design, created as a tribute to the legendary Bugatti EB110 while pushing the boundaries of modern hypercar performance. With only 10 units ever built, this ultra-rare limited edition combines exclusivity, heritage, and futuristic technology in one commanding presence. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing an astonishing 1,600 horsepower, capable of rocketing from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 380 km per hour, 236 miles per hour, proving that this hypercar is not only about beauty but also about sheer, unrelenting speed. Its sharp, sculpted lines, low aggressive stance, and signature Bugatti horseshoe grille redefine elegance, while aerodynamic refinements ensure stability and precision at extreme velocities. Step inside, and the cabin showcases world-class craftsmanship with bespoke detailing, delivering the finest balance of luxury and performance. Every angle of the Centodieci tells a story of power, precision, and exclusivity, making it a crown jewel in the world of automotive artistry. This car is not just driven, it is experienced. If you are a true car enthusiast who appreciates rare performance icons, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to join us on the journey of the world's most extraordinary machines, because legends like the Bugatti Centodieci deserve to be celebrated.